Hello, and welcome to the pet room. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is put, you can't see this, but I just did the screen RAM chips on this machine. And I realized after I finished, I didn't put the one back in that had been in. So it is in, the machine comes up, and it's fine. Now hopefully, this will not take long. These chips are out of the blue bezel machine here next door. Okay, come on. And they should go back into it. And as all the RAM chips on this machine appear to have tested okay, well, I guess there's no point in leaving them sitting here. There is not. So remember, with any chip removal, be gentle. Okay. So these have all just been into the screen RAM. They have now typically, maybe I should have done this from the other side. But typically when I put such chips in, I do it, I am left-handed. So I like to line them up on the left side, give them a gentle push, a slide over to the, give them a little squeeze, and we have 4 of them that are in. Now that is critical, because that's all the machine needs to run on. So I'm going to turn it on and see that indeed the machine comes up. I figure, even though these all tested fine, I don't want to put them all in and then find out that there's something not right. And then I have to start diddling around. If I know that if I put them in 2 at a time and turn it on, I should progressively see the memory count rise. And if something is going to go wrong, I can know pretty quick which chips are causing the issue. And do I like turning on and sending in the inrush current over and over? No, not really. I don't. Okay. 3071 by 3. Good stuff. Good stuff. One, checking the witness mark, lining up the pins, getting them in just so, turning it on. 4095 by 3. Alrighty. Now we're cooking. One. 2. All right. 5,119 bytes free. Just 4 more to go. 1, 2. Let's see. What do we have here? 6,143 bytes free. All right. 1, 2. Oh, no, we're not lined up properly. Gotta be very careful. All right, and what do we have? 7,167 bytes free. And you know what? Now that I'm here, I've got this machine open right next door. I think I'll put these ones back in because, well, these are unforgiving sockets. What happened there? I bumped the RAM chips. Unforgiving. Okay. Now it's stuck in my shirt. Okay. All right. We've got 2 in. 3 in. It's best not to leave stuff sitting around. Get it back where it's supposed to be. Well, the funny thing is there's another RAM chip here. Interesting. All right. I turn this one on, which should then come up. That's right. 4,095 bytes free. Good. There's another RAM chip here. And I think I did have potential issues with it. There was weirdness. So just because I'm here, because I can, I am going to yank out one screen RAM chip. Just give this a try. Just see what I see. Everything's in. Turn it on. See what comes up. And it looks okay. There's a RAM chip. Oh, it's upside down. Hello. There we are, 6550. All right, now it seems at the moment we have the blue bezel machine is up. Where did I put that cassette? All right, there we have our cassette tape. Alright, with great care. And I don't feel bad about this because there's no power running through this at the moment because nothing's pushed down. I'm going to load onto this fully populated, fully working, fully lovely machine, but the data set, there are issues. It has found Commodore. It is loading. It is now running. I will rewind. I will turn it off. I will pull out the data set. And then I will run that yonder cable over to the blue bezel machine. I will shift run sub and I will press play. And it is searching. It has found Commodore. And it is loading. And it is running. So I will now press stop. I will just very carefully unplug this and take it away. And now, for the first time in a long time, if I look up here, this machine is doing the World of Commodore thing. The blue bezel is doing the World of Commodore thing. Sorry about that light. And if I go way over here, the other machine, which seems to be quite dandy with its own data set working just fine, is also doing the World of Commodore thing. And here is a shot inside. So it's going well. I have, I think, 2 more originals to look at, or circuit boards. I think, and there's one. The one I had over here before, I can't find a fuse. So that may take some more tinkering. It's funny that such a fuse would be such an obstacle. Anyway, I am not giving up. I will get these things sorted as best as I can. I meant to look at these a while ago. And then Rudy called me when he was on vacation wanting to get a disk drive. And that got me onto the 4040s, which of course was a big long trip. And you know what? It's not over. Anyway, here it is, the oldest of the old, the best of the best, the most vintage, the most ancient. Here in the pet room. Have a lovely, lovely day. David Bradley signing off. Bye for now.